36. What do you think of pair programming in an AI-assisted team? Pair programming is still useful, even with AI. Two people can discuss architecture and decisions better than AI alone. I think of AI as the third helper one developer types, the other reviews, and AI fills in ideas. It's a great combination. 37. How do you contribute to keeping your team's development practices modern? I regularly read about new tools and trends. When I find something useful, I share it with the team and create small demos or examples. I also suggest improvements to CI/CD testing and code quality. Staying updated is part of my daily routine. 38. What tools do you use to stay in sync with team goals and tasks? I use Jira or Trello for task tracking, Slack or Teams for communication, and Notion or Confluence for documentation. These tools help me know what I need to do, what's done, and what's blocked without needing meetings. 39. Have you ever worked in a team where AI tools were misused? How did you address that? Yes. Once a teammate copied AI code without checking it, which caused bugs. I explained that the AI is helpful, but suggestions must be reviewed. After that, we set team rules like always testing AI code and using PR reviews carefully. 40. Why do you think automation should be prioritized in development processes? Automation saves time, reduces human error, and speeds up releases. It handles testing, deployment, and monitoring better than manual work. Developers can focus on logic and innovation while automation handles the routine. 41. Tell us about a time when you eliminate waste in a development process. In one project, builds were taking 30 minutes. I optimized the CI pipeline by catching dependencies and running only needed tests. Build time dropped to 10 minutes. This saved hours each week and sped up feedback for the team. 42. What do you think is the biggest inefficiency in traditional software development teams today? Manual processes like manual testing, deployments, and code reviews without automation waste time. Also, too many meetings and long decision cycles slow things down. I believe in automating the basics and focusing energy on solving business problems. 43. Why do you want to work in a fast-paced AI integrated development team like Trilogy? Because I love working with modern tools and solving problems fast. Trilogy's focus on AI automation and cloud-native systems matches my mindset. I enjoy challenging work and constant improvement, which this role offers. 44. What makes you different from developers who just code versus those who optimize entire systems? I don't stop at making something work. I look at how to make it better, faster, and more reliable. I care about performance, testing, security, and user experience. I treat the system as a whole, not just my small part. 45. Have you ever replaced an outdated practice with a more efficient AI-powered process? Yes. We used to write test cases manually. I introduced an AI tool that generated test case drafts from functions. This reduced effort by 50%. We only had to fine-tune and validate, saving time without losing quality. 46. What does AI first development mean to you personally? To me, AI first means using AI at every step. Coding, testing, debugging, deploying, not just for fun, but to improve speed and accuracy. It's about making AI a core part of how we build software, not just a side tool. 47. If given a week to refactor an old app, how would you prioritize your approach? First, I'd identify pain points, low modules, buggy areas, or hard-turd code. Then I'd refactor those sections for clarity and performance. I'd use AI to help rewrite code and write tests. I'd ensure everything works before and after changes. 48. How do you continuously learn and adapt to emerging AI tools and platforms? I read blogs, follow tech communities, take online courses, and test tools myself. I experiment with new tools inside projects before using them in production. I also follow GitHub trends and AI newsletters to stay updated. 49. Do you prefer building from scratch or optimizing existing code bases? Why? I enjoy both. Building from scratch allows creative freedom and clean architecture, but optimizing existing code is like solving a puzzle. How to make it better without breaking it. Both require different skills, and I like switching between them. 50. What excites you the most about the future of AI in software engineering? AI will change how we build software, from writing code to understanding user needs. It will reduce boring tasks and let developers focus on creative, high-level thinking. I'm excited about smart systems that learn, adapt, and even code alongside us.